Guys, here we go. It is April 30th, Gold Rush Mini. April 30th, Gold Rush Mini. Let's get it on. Ben, Falcons, Dolphins. Big Allen, Bills, Cowboys, Lions. Colts, Chiefs, Chargers, Patriots, Steelers. Bobby, Eagles, Carlos, Cardinals, Browns, Vikings, Chris, Packers, Daryl, Jets, Titans. HM, Ludel, Broncos, Iron, Niners, Seahawks. Jacob Perry, Saints, Giants, Buccaneers. J.O. Bengals, Chris. Ravens, Panthers, Bears, Texans, Jags, Raiders, Rams. Winzo with the Washington Redskins. Alright guys, all good here. Any trades? I got one division left in the full-size lid. Premium pack's good to go. Full-size football, 14 left. Every 70 years. Oh, where's my knife at? Where is my knife? Oh, there it is. I was using it to cut some boxes. Alright guys, good luck. Gold Rush Mini. Nobody paid for their teams tonight, so sold them off. Give me a lot of unpaid item strikes. Alright, here we go. It's Random Bobby. They're on sale. They're on sale for $55. They're normally $60. Emmanuel Sanders for the Saints. Emmanuel Sanders for they love Emmanuel Sanders in this series. WD08588 Emmanuel Sanders for the Saints. Not Emmanuel Sanders. Jacob Perry 3. Appreciate you paying for your teams, man. You got yourself the New Orleans Saints. You're the Emmanuel Sanders Mini. Premium packs up next. One division left in the full-size lid. On sale for 55 doll hairs. Full-size footballs on sale, $5. 14 left in there. Premium jersey, 6 or 24 division. $1 off a team. Prism Mega is on sale, $10 a team. 23 left, 25 left in there. So got some breaks working. Alright guys, every night, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Never miss a live break. Please subscribe and turn on notifications. Thank you.